Ooh, I cannot wait to Thanksgiving. You hungry? Cause I'm starving. All the good food, family time. Just can't wait. In today's video, I'll be going over some free crochet patterns for Thanksgiving and fall. So I broke down the items in two different categories, and I did home decor and fashion. So I'm going to do home decor first, and then I'll go into the fashion, okay? So the first thing that I have on the list is this Amigurumi Turkey. So you can sit this on your couch or like on your mantelpiece just to like decorate your living room up a little bit, or bedroom, whatever you want to put it at. You could like put it on a bed, on the floor. It doesn't really matter where you put it, but it'll definitely put a little spice in your room. This wreath could be cute for either the outside of your house or any door in the inside of your house. Now they have different like theme ones. Of course they have like a fall theme, but they do have like Thanksgiving themes as well that you can do. So just here, I'm gonna just show you like a few that I that I saw. It was like a turkey one. They had like a fall like leaf one with the just different colors of the fall. So yeah. This turkey belly silverware holder is super cute. It'll definitely top off, the decorations when you're setting up your dinner table. This crochet pumpkin is adorable. Of course, it's my personal pattern. You definitely got to go get it because I love y'all and y'all love me. So why not? Okay. But that's beside the point. You can make this pumpkin all types of fall colors and just, make it any size you want. And a lot of people might think that pumpkins is only for Halloween, but pumpkins is just really a fall thing. It's just used in Halloween a lot. And to be honest, I've seen people use pumpkins for Thanksgiving as well, and they make pumpkin pie and different things like that. So pumpkin's not just a Halloween thing. Get that out your head, y'all. Get it out your head. These turkey coasters would be cute, like on your tables, like on the, the tables on the side of your couches and stuff like that. I don't know what kind of tables they're called. I would call them couch tables, but they would look super cute there. And, you can use them over and over again every year. These crochet oak leaves are really cute, and they could be used for a lot of things. Like in my head, like off the top, I can think of, a few things. Like you can put silverware on top of them when you're setting up your table, or you can even like, what do you call that? Smear. I was gonna say, put them on the floor and, kind of make it feel like it's fall or Thanksgiving inside the house. You know how they have leaves outside? You'll just have like crochet leaves like hanging around on the floor. I feel like that'll be super cute and like creative for like decorations in your house. This fluffy pumpkin pie looks so good. Like it's making me hungry, to be honest. Like I want a piece of pie now. Who would me a piece of pie? You? Not me? I don't know. But anyway, I feel like if you put this on the kitchen table and like put a pie thing over top of it, I feel like people might think it's real because it looks like an actual piece of pie, like from afar. I don't wear glasses, so to me when I first saw it, I'm like, wait, is that an actual piece of pie? I don't know. These table runners are super cute. Some say grateful, some say thankful. You have some that says give thanks. I feel like it's super dope for your finishing touches for your table decorations. Tasty turkey basket is very much needed. You can put like your rolls inside of it in the middle of the table before you guys like eat and stuff. I feel like that'll be a good way to utilize the basket. This turkey kitchen towel is cute, and I feel like it's super convenient for when in the kitchen cooking, cooking it up, whipping it up, and you need a towel, This napkin ring is a cute way to, design your napkins up, a cute style to add to the decorations on your dinner table. This turkey belly pot holder is called, which is a super cute name. But it's, as you can see in the picture, it's also used for like, different things like food packages. And you could literally put anything in there for real. This Acorn Garland can literally go anywhere in your house. It can go in your living room, dining room, kitchen. And it just gives, that Thanksgiving oomph in your house. you know? Okay, so moving on to the fashion side. So the first thing on my list I have is, of course, my very own, of course, again, this chunky crochet oversized sweater. It'll leave you satisfied and warm. Now, you might want to change the colors just off the fact that it is Thanksgiving and it's fall. You want to give it maybe that fall look, whatever you really want. You don't have to change the color, but this time around this year, this time of the year, I'm going to make me one, and I'm going to change the color up to maybe like brown and orange, like the fall-y type of colors, you know? This pumpkin 3D sweater is super adorable. I couldn't find the pattern for it, but I definitely just wanted to show y'all like the look because I loved it. I couldn't not put it in the video, you know? But you know, I do want to say, before I go into the other fashion patterns, I definitely want y'all to comment down below what y'all favorite dishes for Thanksgiving. Like, what's your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Mine's, to be honest, is the deep fried turkey. I love deep fried turkey. But comment down below what y'all favorite dish is for Thanksgiving. This eye sweater pattern is okay. It's okay. The colors are definitely giving fall very much. I don't know what is it about it that not resonating with me. It might be the style of the sweater, but I definitely love the colors of this this sweater. This is called the Arlic crochet duster, and it's super stylish. It's so cute. I love the arms on it, like the holes in the arms. It is fall, so you kind of can't go wrong with the holes because fall weather is so up and down. You know, in the morning it's, you know, cold, but you know, by the time the afternoon comes, it's like pretty warm. So this sweater is definitely perfecto. The Winds of Crochet cardigan dress, this is called. This is kind of like your rich aunties coming, you know, to the cookout type of dress. You know how you got that rich auntie and they super stylish and jazzy with it? I feel like this is that dress. I just don't like the blue in it. I feel like all the other colors are, you know, giving. It's just the blue kind of like threw me off with it. So I would definitely wear this without the blue in it. This Cupcake ruffled tiered skirt is super, super cute. One of my favorite pieces in this video. I just love the yarn. I love the color, the texture of the yarn. I love the pattern in itself. I just love everything about it. This sweater is super freaking adorable. I love the stripes on the sleeves, and I love like the low like cleavage part that's like giving like very sexy. And you know, it's definitely fall vibes for me. These thigh-high socks are like giving very much I need a pair, because I'm gonna make me a pair for real ASAP Rocky, okay? Because they are so cute. They're very fashionable, and I'm definitely gonna make me a pair or two for the fall and for the winter. You can also make knee-high socks as well, not thigh-high. Knee-high would be cute too, but the thigh-high ones just gives it like a whole nother level type of cuteness, okay? This rib turtleneck top is cute. It might not look as like it's for fall, but it's definitely for fall because the turtleneck, you know, part of it gives it that fall vibe, you know? You can always put like a long sleeve shirt under it, or, you know, wear like a cute jacket over top of it. But that's definitely cute. This crochet ribbed hat and infinity scarf set is adorable. I feel like if you use that exact yarn that's in the picture, that silky soft yarn, it'll definitely be super cozy and like warm for the fall. This even moss hoodie is for like my 5 to like 8-year-olds. You can make this for your kids for Thanksgiving. It's super cozy and snug, and it fits like just right for a 5 to 7-year-old. So I'm looking on my list, and I just realized that that's the last one I have on my list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and go subscribe to my channel. And you know, if this video was also helpful for you, you'll definitely think this next video is helpful, where there's more patterns for the fall in that video. So I'll see you guys over there. Bye. I would like to get to know